It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood, a beautiful. So, here's the deal. Here's the deal. If I don't want to get in more trouble with my wife, I would go straight. I would go this way. However, I feel like I found a good shot to caption on the camera. And to do that, I gotta go that way.
What is this? What is this? It's a...
What's going on, y'all? So I'm here at the spot right now, but I put the drone in the air. The water level is not high enough to be going to Glory Hole, and I took the drone down the trails. Looks like no water at all in the area I wanted to, or I pray to hope to find a waterfall, but yeah, there's no water there. It's all rock. And it's unfortunate, but we're still going to try to go up there. It's crazy because I never realized we're sitting about 200 feet, and when I put the drone in the air, like right now I'm currently at 1,200 feet. I'm still not over the hill that we're supposed to be going up. So I didn't know that the gain was that high until now. I mean, we've been up there before, but I didn't know that. There was water down there. Is that a tent? No freaking way. Oh no, it's just graffiti. Okay. I went off trail already. There's water. I'm going underneath. I'm going underneath the road right now. Pretty dope. Let's keep it moving. So and I brought the wrong pants. These pants suck when it comes to hiking. Great for snowboarding, suck hiking. Whew.
hot. I'm sweating. We parked down there. Actually, you see the car from here. Car's down there. I actually didn't know I could park over here. I know I could park down there, but you know, whatever. I want to grab a seat. That's why I stopped. I don't see another place I can sit till I get to those rocks. I should call this the fat hiker. Because I feel like a fat person right now. That's how tired I am. Whew. Yes, sir. All right, we're almost back to the car. There, that's where we was at. If I don't want to get in more trouble with my wife, I will go straight. I will go this way. However, I feel like I found a good shot to caption on the camera. To do that, I gotta go that way. I don't want to get in trouble, but I gotta get this shot. So, let's do it. The shot. I'm learning this camera. Still learning how to use it. Stay on the trail. I'm so in trouble. So I went that way last time. Let's go this way. Not far. That's the road. I'm over there. So gotta keep going. Oh, okay. So I went to the creek, well, the creek way. That's how you get to the trailhead, that way. Oh well. These pants I'm wearing is terrible. So terrible. I am going to check out one other spot real quick. Since I'm already in trouble, might as well get more in trouble. So come with me and check out this one other spot, because when we got here, like I said, people had one person had a paddleboard, the other person had a raft, like an inflatable raft. So I really want to see how the water is down there, because I've never paddled this area before. I paddled Lake Berryessa over there, did an overnighter. I showed you guys how to put that video up here. And then I've done the minnow paddleboard review, but further down this waterway, further down Putah Creek, Putah Creek. And we stopped at a certain area, chilled, ate, and came back. Much love, y'all. Deuces.
What is this? It's
Look at that. Okay. So yeah, that's the RV campground right there. But where I'm at, so I don't know where they paddled though. Well, there's rapid. Okay, well actually, what they did was, because there's already a paddleboard here. So what they did was they dropped the paddleboard off, dropped the car off. Another person drove back, took the raft out, inflated it up, got in the water, went. They're only going one way. That's downstream. I've never paddled downstream. I've only paddled upstream and then back down to where we started from. So with the paddleboard, it'll be interesting because I've seen some pretty gnarly videos of people wiping out in kayaks. So, and rafts, kayaks and rafts, I've seen people wipe out pretty hardcore. So I'm gonna have to study this area a lot more and maybe do a paddle video here. Probably get out. I don't know if I'll bring the minnow or the adventure. I don't know which one I'll bring. But yeah.